living in a van, having just a few things, but with the money I save, I'm spending it towards gear that brings me here. Yeah, people ask me, how do you do it to have a lifestyle like that? Yeah, spend wisely, clubbing. I stopped smoking, trying to, just saving here and there, and it brings me here. Yeah, I just had to put some gas in my van, rent this board, which was $50 a day, and that's it. Everybody can do it. Everybody can do what they want. Sorry language, but at this point I don't give a fuck. Oh, this is rough. This is pushing my limit, and I feel like this is why I'm living this life. Oh, reaching new boundaries, reaching new goals, feeling alive. Yeah, alright. Enough.
Starlight raining over me, like drifting